All right, looking at Dydx. I'm not entirely sure what this is. I think it's some sort of trading platform for cryptocurrencies, but came across it, so I'm gonna break it down for you guys. So first things first, I can see it's way below this moving average, so definitely bearish. There's an area here that seems significant, and I can see that there's a nice whole number there at 350 million. So I'm gonna put this here. 350M we'll put, because you always want to find your whole numbers. Oh, this is ugly. Oh, this is not going to work. Gonna have to clean these up here. Just put 350. I don't know how many zeros we need. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? 350 million. So 350, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. It worked. Wow. Okay. So 350 million. That's our whole number. So far, that is the previous liquidity area for the bears. So now we got to find where a possible buying area would be, where price might go to. So first thing that's in mind is this area here, around 275, 280. And so when looking at these bigger time frames, we'll see what we have here. Yeah, so price did have this huge push up, and then so if this is bullish, there's a chance that price came down right to this 618 level, pulled back up, and is now just struggling at this 350. So, but you can see as of last week, it came down with this bearish engulfing candle here, touched this area and rejected. So I think 250, roughly 275 is kind of the area that this might end up to. Just slowly might just trickle down into this area and then get bought up. Because I do see, I mean, from a weekly standpoint, weekly structure, this is still bullish just because of this huge segment here, and then all it's doing is just pulling back, and then never really, this weekly candle closed right below the 618, but not much, and then, you know, from that area it's come back up. So it just seems to be struggling at this 350. So get rid of this zone here. If I can select it, no, hang on. So delete that, go back to the daily here. We're looking for a buy. You can see something's actually starting to, this zone's actually getting pulled up here. You can see this candle here came all the way down, pushed all the way back up. But as of right now, I would still be looking for an area where there's more wicks. So just if you're looking for a strict buy. So like I said, I mean, this completely rejected, pulled back up, but you can see it's still kind of trickling down. So there's not a ton of buying support yet. So I'm still looking for this main zone here. So we'll just mark this out here. You're looking at about 280. Just keep this real easy here. If we just get rid of 3 numbers and put 3 zeros in, we should be good. There you go. So 280. It's kind of our spot that we would want. And then you'd be looking for something like this if structure changes. So right now you got lower lows right here, like this is lower than this one. If we drop it down to a 4-hour time frame, you can really see it. So straight down, pulled back up, you know, no new high, seems to be pulling back down. There's a little bit of bullish, well, not bullish, but there's just a little bit of support here right at 300 million. So makes sense, it is a whole number. So right at 300 million here, it seems to be holding a little bit, but after hitting 300, there's not a ton of bull. Like it didn't rocket out of here, so it didn't hit 300 here and then just shoot up yet. So I'd still say it's gonna keep moving down. So I'd still be targeting 282, 270, and just see what price does in this area, and see if you get a big bounce. If you get a bunch of bull momentum out of this zone, then you're looking for something like this. And my first target would just be 350, nothing higher, because you don't know. I mean, it rejected this area so many times, and you can actually drag it over and you can just see how many times it's rejected this area. So this is what I'd be looking for. And then as soon as price comes down in here, if it creates some wicks in this area, you can just cinch up your stop here, something like this, and then boom, target this, try to get like a 5 or 6 risk to reward, and then you're good to go. So you just have to wait till price hits this area at 280 and then watch structure change. If it does, you want price to cross over this 1 hour moving average, start making higher highs, higher lows, and just zigzagging back upwards, and then holding above that 1 hour moving average would be great. And then yeah, just shoot all the way to 350. So from 270 to, or from 280, 270 area to all the way to 350. That is your trade if structure allows for it. Once price hits 280, and then go from there. And then I think you'd be pretty good to go for a buy, because I think this is still bullish, kind of on a weekly standpoint. So based on this huge segment here. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted with this. If it's something you're interested in, let me know. If you like this, leave a comment, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated.